Let's dive into some essential strategies for a stress-free international move. First, we need to talk about the importance of packing efficiently. You need to declutter and downsize. Before you start packing, it's crucial to declutter and downsize your belongings. This not only reduces the volume of items to be shipped, but it also cuts down on your shipping costs. Make sure you sort and reduce. Go through your items and decide what to keep, what to sell, what to donate, and what to just throw away. Focus on keeping only the essentials and items of sentimental value. You can always sell your items, organize a garage sale, or use online platforms like eBay and Craigslist to sell items that you no longer need. This can help you earn extra money to offset moving expenses. Some items should just be donated or disposed of. Donate gently used items to local charities and properly dispose of any items that cannot be sold or donated. And now it's time to pack. Efficient packing is key to minimizing the costs and ensuring your belongings arrive safely. Use cost-effective packing materials. Save money by using recycled boxes and packing materials. You can find free boxes at local stores or online community groups. Now here's an important tip. Pack strategically. Pack items tightly to save space and reduce the number of boxes needed. Use clothes and towels and blankets as padding for those fragile items. And don't forget to label your boxes clearly. Make sure you clearly label every single box with all the contents and the room it belongs to. This will not only help with customs, it'll make unpacking easier and help you get organized as you move into your new home.